It's a 15-minute flare.
Because I want to see this shit.
Now it starts to run.
Yeah. Go for it.
Run!
Hold on.
Flare's not gonna last that long.
Why did I go this way?
I don't know.
Oh no, hurry up!
Hurry up, bitches. Oh shit. Alright, bitches.
You gonna videotape it too?
That flare will last
No.
forever. Hold on. Woo!
Hey Josh, you videotaping too?
I'll get Randy's.
Your phone's in the truck.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Uh-oh.
That was tight!
It's still on fire, that's not good.
Did you get the whole fucking flame too?
Thanks, Wind.
I don't even have my earplugs in. That was so good.